Want to learn how to divide a cell diagonally in Excel? Then this video is for you. To start, notice in this example that I have a sales tab and which column represents a year and which row represents a month. In your case, it could be another type of information. The tip will work for any type of data. So let's say you want to insert a row title and a column title in the same cell. This can be done by dividing a cell diagonally. And to do this, I will select the cell, then I use the shortcut key Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells box. Select the Border tab. Here we have several border options. And for this case, I will apply this diagonal border option. Here, if you want, you can explore other border styles and colors. But for this example, I will keep the default option. Once that's done, I click OK. And here we have the cell divided diagonally. Now, I enter the word year and press Alt-Enter to skip a line within the cell. I enter the word month and press Enter. And now that I have both pieces of information, I need to move the year header to the right. So I double-click on the cell and press space a few times until I position the year to the right. And if necessary, I can position the month using space as well. And that's it. Notice we have the cell divided diagonally, where the top parts represent their column headers and the bottom part represents the row headers. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you also like this other video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!